You receive a notice from immigration and your green card or your visa application has been denied. Oh no, what do you need to do? Can you fix it? Do you need to reapply? Can you challenge the decision? Should you appeal? Are you going to have to pack your bags and go home? What do you need to do? First, you need to know, why was it denied? Was it denied because there was missing documents? Was it denied because the information was inaccurate or incomplete? Was it denied because immigration doesn't believe that you are telling the truth or that you have strong enough ties to your home country? There are many reasons why an application or a visa can be denied, and you have to be very clear on the reasons why your case was denied or not approved. The first thing we have to do is we have to take the actual decision and read it carefully to understand and know what immigration is saying. Once we read it, that's really going to help us to know how to advise you. Then we can give you the best guidance on whether it makes the most sense to prepare the case, strengthen it, and refile from scratch, or if we think that immigration got it wrong and we should really appeal and challenge them, or if maybe we should just go in an entirely different direction with a new type of application. I'm not your attorney right now, so I can't tell you the best option, but I can give you some examples. Generally, in my office, we would recommend to reapply or refile the case if your evidence just wasn't strong enough and we needed to prepare a better, stronger case with more evidence and more proof, or if, let's say, that there was a misrepresentation and we're going to need to apply for a waiver for forgiveness in addition to your application. On the other hand, it might be a case in which immigration just got it wrong. The law cited in your denial letter is wrong and just not applicable to your case. In that case, we might recommend to appeal so that we can challenge immigration and set the record straight. By the way, there's never a guarantee, but in my office, we do have a 99% success rate on appeals. And if you're in this situation, you want to hire an experienced immigration attorney who's successfully handled hundreds of appeals before. So if you have a denial in hand and you'd like to book an appointment with my office, here's what I'm going to need for you when you come to your appointment. I need for you to bring a copy of your denial letter, or in fact, send it to us before the consultation so I have a chance to review it for you. In addition, it would be great if you could bring me a copy of your original filing with all of the applications and evidence that you submitted to immigration to begin with, as well as if you received a request for more evidence or a notice of intent to deny in your case. I would love to read a copy of that along with your response. If you've already been placed into court proceedings, I also want to see a copy of your court paperwork and any criminal records that you might have. This is a lot of documents. You're probably wondering, do I really need to show the attorney all of these documents? And the answer is yes. The more documents you can show us, the better idea we can have of whether your case was filed well or not so well. We can help you to determine where it was weak and where we can maybe strengthen the case so that we can hopefully have a successful outcome for you. This is especially true if you hired a lawyer before for your case, because I want to see if they did good work and where I could strengthen the case for you. What you need to do is really strategize. It's not as simple as just filling out the application and submitting it back and hoping for the best. There's really a lot of legal strategy to determining the best path forward. Look, I'm going to be real with you, and I probably shouldn't be telling you this, but here's what I want you to know if you get a denial. You don't want to apply too soon without taking the time to fix the issues that are set forth in your denial. Don't lie or hide facts. That's only going to make it worse. Finally, be honest and be realistic about your case. I know that a denial or a visa refusal feels like the end of the road and the door is shut, but it doesn't have to be. With the right attorney and the right strategy, we can often try again. Now, if you found this helpful, I want you to like and subscribe below. Make sure you share it with your friends who might be in the same situation with a denial. And you are always welcome to schedule a consultation with me as the attorney. When you schedule your consultation, I'm the one that's in the room with you for that meeting. I'm Attorney Jennifer Bennett, helping immigrants one visa at a time.